Well, hello and welcome everybody to the Tuesday Take. And we at Remax Lawn Realty have decided we are sick of winter. So, starting Sunday, it's back in the open house season. So we're having 4 open houses on this Sunday from 1 to 4, starting at 320 Fifth Avenue Northwest, 650 6th Street Southeast, 1004 Riverview Drive, this is a brand new listing, and 2167 14th Street Southwest. And don't worry if you didn't catch all that, because I have a full list of the open houses right after this video. Not only that, IG3 Media will be broadcasting live from one of these houses, and you will have a chance at one of these houses to have the opportunity to register for the cruise into 2019 Alaskan Cruise. We'll also have some other fun goodies to give away, so come out this Sunday, 1 to 4 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. Thank you for coming, and remember, the grass is always greenest at Remax Lawn Realty.